Prime Minister Honourable Jeremiah Manele has reaffirmed his government's commitment to fair and effective recruitment as the Pacific Labour Mobility Annual Meeting 2025 opened in Honiara today under the theme Sustainable Reintegration Begins with Fair and Effective Recruitment. Sharon Anau reports.
The Pacific Labour Mobility Annual Meeting 2025 officially opened in Honiara today. In his remarks at the meeting's opening, Prime Minister Honourable Jeremiah Manele highlighted the importance of unity among all the stakeholders attending the meeting. Reflecting on the meeting's theme, Sustainable Reintegration Begins with Fair and Effective Recruitment, Prime Minister Manele reaffirmed his government's commitment to collaborate with all partners to address long-standing challenges and promote mutual development outcomes.
Our strength lies in Pacific solidarity. Through the Pacific Labour Mobility Annual Meeting, we share experiences and strengthen coordination across our region. We must continue to stand together, governments, employers, recruiters, partners and trade unions to uphold the values that make Pacific labour mobility distinct, the values of fairness, dignity and care for all people. As we gather this week under the theme, and I quote, Sustainable Reintegration Begins with Fair and Effective Recruitment, end of quote. The Solomon Islands government reaffirms its commitment to work collaboratively with all stakeholders to address long-standing challenges and deliver the mutual development outcomes that inspired Pacific labour mobility. I call on each of us to make that same commitment. One country's effort is not enough, but together we can overcome what once seemed insurmountable.
Meanwhile, PACER Plus implementation head says the meeting provides a vital platform for open discussion on worker welfare, reintegration and economic benefits. He noted that reviewing and modernizing the regional arrangement on labour mobility is a key agenda item, alongside addressing issues such as fair recruitment and worker absconding.
Yeah, so one of the big things is the amendment to the arrangement on labour mobility. So reviewing the text and making the language more modern because it's been over 5 or 6 years since the arrangement on labour mobility was drafted. So we need some more modern language and things have moved on since that time. So I think that's one of the really big things that we need to push forward on is the arrangement on labour mobility. I think the big thing is for our people travelling to Australia and New Zealand, making sure that their welfare is taken care of, fair and transparent recruitment. And it's good to have the employers here. You know, the employers are pretty brave to come and hear all the truths that our people need to tell them. So a big congratulations to the employers from both Australia and New Zealand. And also good to see all our Pacifica community come together here in the Solomon Islands. So there'll be some really frank discussions upstairs, I think, which is really important for our people.
The meeting, with its official opening held today, has already had its first meeting session yesterday at the Heritage Park Hotel.
I think yesterday was the Pacific Caucus, where the Pacific countries come together and discuss issues in relation to labour mobility, which is really important. Gives them the opportunity to have a free, frank discussion amongst other Pacific countries. So it's a really useful session for countries to express some of their issues or any concerns that they may have in relation to labour mobility. So it's a really good opportunity for everyone to come together and the usual things that are discussed, in relation to welfare of the workers, reintegration back into communities. I think those are the important things for a lot of the countries. Is when workers travel to Australia and New Zealand, they're well looked after and they're taken care of. So I think those are the key things. And also obviously some of the economic benefits from labour mobility and what it can do for people in the Pacific.
SIBC TV understand the Labour Mobility Annual Meeting will conclude on Thursday. Sharon Nanel for SIBC TV.